Hey, what's up everybody? I was sent this 3-pack of 48-inch mowing deck replacement mulching blades so I could do a quick unboxing for you and let you know what I think about it, and then I'll point out a couple other things that I think you should know. So first, go ahead and cut this open. So as you can see, this is kind of a bubble wrap that it comes in. And it has another wrap on the outside, which is good because a lot of times these, if they're not oiled or anything, they possibly could get rusty. Maybe not these ones, so because they do have looks like a nice coating on them. But anyways, that does protect it from getting extra scratches and stuff on it. So we'll take that off, set this down carefully and try not to scratch my table. Actually, let me just grab this. There we go. So just an up close look at them. They do feel really high quality. I mean, it feels like it's heavy duty. They're strong. Kind of reading through some of the comments and reading through the description, one thing I really want to point out to you guys to make sure you check is that you check to make sure that the specs match what you actually need. This particular blade, the hole is a 3/4 inch center hole. I know I've seen some of the other ones that are a little bit off, so just make sure that you check the specs on the actual blade that you're replacing and then compare it to make sure you have the 3/4 inch hole in the middle. That way you can just be sure that you're getting the right one and make sure it fits for you. Because you don't want to buy something that doesn't work and have to exchange it. So just, it's super important to check that out so when it comes, you know it's exactly what you need. Other than that, I think it does, like I said, feel really good. They're nice and heavy, really good mulching blades. So I think if you just make sure you check what you're getting and what you need, you're not gonna have a problem with it. And I would recommend based on what I see so far.